Hey, what's up? It's Armando here, back with another edition in our Try Something New series. So Christina is a huge fan of blueberry muffins. I just love muffins. I like blueberry muffins a lot too. We really haven't had much lately, so I was looking around on YouTube trying to find a recipe for like a higher protein, lower calorie blueberry muffin. I watched a few videos, sort of winged it based off of those and came up with a little recipe that I'm gonna try out right now. Hopefully it turns out well. Either way, I'm excited. I just want stuff that tastes sweet or impliedly sweet, but also fits my macros. I just want sugar, sugar, give me sugar! Let's bake some muffins. So first I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. First is this blueberry flavored Kodiak Cakes mix. I'll be weighing out 400 grams of this. And I've got 75 grams of vanilla whey protein. I believe that is all my dry ingredients, so I am just gonna mix these up together. Okay, time for the wet ingredients. First, I have 240 grams or 1 cup of almond milk. Next is 120 grams of egg whites, 120 grams of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I could have used stevia for a sweetener. I'm gonna try this sugar-free, low-calorie syrup from Carrie's. 2 tablespoons is only 5 calories. I'm going to use 20 grams of this. All right, that's all my wet ingredients. Now I'm gonna stir all this up until it becomes my muffin batter. Okay, the batter's pretty well mixed now. And the last thing I'm gonna do is fold in some frozen blueberries. I'm gonna weigh out 120 grams. Just mix it up before I get it ready for the pan. All right, I have this cupcake muffin pan, but I just sprayed it with some nonstick oil. I'm gonna start spreading this out. I'm gonna try to make 12 decent sized muffins. All right, a little messy, but I got pretty much all of it out. I don't know if these are overfilled or not. We'll find out. I don't know how much this is gonna rise, but basically split into 12 roughly even sized muffins. Oh yeah, but I'll put a little bit of granulated sugar sprinkled on top of all these, just to give it a little nice, sweet, sugary crunch. All right, now I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Let's rock. Ooh, these look delicious. Let's try the muffin.
Let's go.
Well, she's a little trepidatious.
Because I usually like very sugar heavy blueberry muffins.
These are not sugar heavy at all. But I did sprinkle some on top.
They do look good.
Well, they look good. Cheers. Not as sugary as you would
They're
like.
not as sweet or sugary, but they're still good.
Like, as the finish lingers on, the sweetness comes out more.
It's just
That's good.
sugar on top. No, it is good. Like, I can eat it. It's not.
It's a little, kind of a little dry. Like this would be, like I need something moist with it. Like this would be perfect with a cup of coffee. The flavor's really good though. I'm enjoying this a lot. Yeah, so this is all estimated based off how I distributed it, but roughly each of these muffins is 160 calories, about 1.5 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbs, and 15.4 grams of protein.
It is good.
I don't see any issue of us finishing this dozen over the next few days.
No, not at all. I might sprinkle some sugar on it, but that's my own issue.
It's obviously not a full sugar muffin, but it's really good. Pretty simple to make. Successful.
Yeah, I think so.
Try something new.
Okay. I I just prefer my sweet, sugary muffin.